The Daily Code Snippet. To achieve maximal cross-browser compatibility, we will often have multiple formats of our video, and the browser needs a way to choose from our options to get the best fit. For this purpose, we use the source element instead of the source attribute. So in this sample code, you can see that we have 3 source elements, each with a different type of video. If the browser is unable to play any of the videos, then it will fall back to the text, which also provides a link where the video is on YouTube. In the past, the fallback mechanism was Flash Video, but this method is no longer supported. The source element works with the source and the type attributes. The source attribute will tell the browser the name of the file and where to locate it. The type attribute tells the browser the format of the file. It is optional, but it is recommended that you use it because the browser will automatically skip videos it knows it cannot support. But if it doesn't know, it has to take the time to play your video to see if it works, and this wastes loading time. Presented by Designers Learn Code.